look at the stars.
May bu, I did not expect na aabot tayo sa punto to ng buhay natin. Mapapasagot mo ako at mailapat ko ang apelyido ko sa pangalan mo. You are super blessed kay sa kadaghang babae sa kalibutan. Ikaw jud akong napilian.
After 9 years, I finally married you. My best friend, my other half, my travel buddy, and my everything. Thank you for being consistent since day one, for loving me, and also my family. Thank you for saving me from my darkest times, especially nung nawala si Papa. And you never gave up on me, and I'm so grateful for that.
With me, I don't need any reason to leave what we have. Take the next flight. It'll be our adventure, once in a lifetime.
During sa iyang pag-propose, dili ko katuunan nag-propose na siya that time. Kaya every time na na-event, sige na siya gluhod na magsisig yun, will you marry me, boo, magsisig ana. So ako po, ginahapak ko siya, pagtarong ba kay kung mag-propose ka, dili na gid ko magtuuan na sa imo ha.
Confident yun ko na mag-oo siya sa pag-question ako sa iya kung willing ba siya i-marry ko.
So that time, dugay kay ko nakatubag sa iyang proposal. Then pagtanong ako sa ring, uy, tinuod yun. And sa akong mind, nanangid kaya ni siya.
Happy gid kayo ko, kay wala gid kong gi-fail.
As long as you are with me, I don't care where we go. As long as you are with me, I don't care where we go. As long as you are with me.
Guys, thank you kayo sa pag-accept as my groomsman sa akong kasal. Unta, malipay mo aning gift na ako sa inyo ha. Thank you kayo.
And we can't get enough. We just living it up. We just living it up. We just living it up.
Thank you for being here with us today sa among special day ni Dado. Okay lang. Thank you sa naging part and supportive kaayo mo sa among duwa.
Living life loud, never pipe down. Sky high like way up. Got the roof raised up with the vibe on us, yeah. Best feeling in the world, spread the word around it. So much you could worry about, but I ain't worried about it. I'm just living my best life, there's no stress life. Let me show you what the rest like. We know what we want, it's like, and we can't get enough. We just living it up, we just living it up, we just living it up. Live it up, yeah, yeah, live it up. Live it up, yeah, yeah, live it up. Like na 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 na.
Bo, it's been 9 years since I first saw the girl of my dream outside sa clinic. I know nothing about you, basta't alam ko lang, gugma akong nabati pagkita sa imo. Ayaw lang kabalaka, kay kining akong gugma, moranig basurahan. Dagag plastic pero walay sagol ate.
I'm feeling blessed like, let me show you what the
Ako'y gamay na gift rin mo ha, dahil ma-appreciate nimi.
And we can't get enough. We just living it up, we just living it up, we just living it up. Live it up, yeah, yeah.
Kanin siya, I know, mag-last ni lifetime. And kay Kuya, for pamahiin. For pamahiin, small amount need daw eh. So, here's my gift.
Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up.
sana taka-busy ni Jude na ito mo-travel para i-restart atong utok. Please choose one lang. I love you. See you mamaya sa church.
Live it up, live it, live it up.
Japan!
Live it up, live it, live it up. Ay, na 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 na.
Fast forward ta, Feb 7, 2015, naguyab ta. Doon ko mas nakilala ang babaeng matapang, masiyahin, ma-effort at maalaga na tao.
We've been dreaming and waiting for this moment for so long. And finally, it's happening. Despite of all the trials we've encountered recently, we are here, standing firm to receive and celebrate sacred union that God planned for us.
It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you.
Diosdado, you may now kiss your wife, Manilita.
Ako ang magiging tahanan mo at ikaw ang magsisilbing pahinga ko. I love you.
It's always